Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Row. In this video, we're going to be going over the Synty Polygon Samurai Empire pack. And this pack just dropped at the time of making this video, and it is currently 30% off for $139.99, I believe, down from 200. And let's go ahead and check this out. And if you have the Synty pass, you automatically have this pass already, so you can just go ahead and download it. And feel free to use my affiliate link in the description and the pinned comments below to help support my channel. Thank you all for watching, and let's get into it. All right, so right away, just opening the pack, we have a ton of beautiful foliage, a lot of wind going on. There's these giant clouds kind of rotating in the sky, and you can see these kites moving along with the wind. And overall, just a really nice, kind of cozy vibe, as if you're in Japan. Very big, old school, medieval samurai type vibe. And yeah, overall, this just looks really nice. So all these buildings are modular. So you can see these are pieced individually. And wow, this must have taken a ton of time. One of the good things is in one of their scenes, they do have a pre-made demo or buildings. And this is actually one of their new fire effects asset that I'm in love with. It's not the whole low poly blocky looking fire, but you can kind of see the blocks sparks coming up. But the fire itself is very like a 2D sprite looking playbook. Looks really amazing to me. And we got these ladder to go up here, a bunch of teapots, really nice looking windows. This kind of blue old school Japan themed designs going on. And we have these like little broom handle looking things with these zigzags on the ceiling. And I just love how live like this looks with all the wind effects. We have these flowing leaves coming down, grass moving. I just love the animations on the foliage itself. It makes everything kind of very polished looking, very live-like. Now let's go ahead. We have this little bouquet of bamboo or something. Some fish, a lot of food in here, kind of like a seafood market or something, or kind of like a vendor. We have sushi. All right, so this looks really cool. A little bit of sake cups, some plants, these like lanterns, a ton of bamboo foliage. This is something that I never really see actually. I don't really see a low poly bamboo, so this is pretty unique if you're definitely making a Japanese style game. This would be really nice, or even just some sort of rainforesty stuff with all this amazing foliage. I love how this looks. So down here we have a few more buildings. We got this little shopping cart, a flag, a little sign of a veggie market, kind of like a farmer's market. I think we have squid or octopus on these drying racks. And overall, man, I am loving this pack. Synty, I swear, over the years, they get better and better. And it is a $200 pack initially, so it is pretty expensive. So they do have a lot to go through. Little hot tubs, really nice. Really cool. Their environment setup is beautiful. This is amazing. Oh, a treasure chest. Oh, and the lid is separated. I need to adjust it to world space. It is currently not world space, but that is pretty cool. So over here we have like half of a bao bun or something. Teapot. Some more veggies. A little sleeping pad thingamabob. I don't know where I just ended up. Oh, there's samurai armor. Okay, I'm actually curious to see what the characters look like in this pack. We have this sheath, or I guess unequipped samurai sword, box, probably some sort of family heirloom in there. Another off campfire. Oh, this bottle actually looks really cool. Okay, very nice. Uneaten food just kind of sitting at the table. Nice tree roots coming out. Yellow trees. Where am I? Where did I go? And then we can go even further down. We have these glowing candles, a little outdoor shrine by the water. We have this really nice waterfall effect. That looks really cool. And we have some statues. I didn't even notice this. What is this? Okay, overall, really cool. Just a really beautiful environment overall. I am loving this. This looks amazing. And this looks really cool as well, kind of like a gazebo. Let's go up because I did not see. So I saw this marketplace. I don't think I saw. Okay, so I didn't see out there and I didn't see up here. So up here we have a multi-leveled. Wow, look at this fish painting. Okay, that looks really sick. This theme looks really nice. This is kind of like what a lot of sushi restaurants around me do. They have the bonsai tree and this really red kind of wooden themed panel. If you guys have ever been to Yamachen's, kind of looks like the interior of that. And more armor, and we got another ladder going to this story. Okay, pretty cool. Just a little attic here, or I guess a pretty decent sized attic. And we have an outdoor section. So I didn't even notice this is a sliding door. That looks like a booby trap. Oh, I'm guessing this side slides actually. Never mind. I was gonna say if I slide this door, then I would just fall in. What is this? Oh, the paper sheets. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, everything is so modular. You can really do whatever you want with this asset. And a really cool top of the building. Holy crap. And the overview of the clouds is beautiful. And you have mountains in the background as well. So that looks really nice. We have this nice looking fog effect. We have this bridge. Very like home-esque to an emperor, I guess. Of someone who really likes foxes with a scroll. Kind of giving me Naruto vibes right there. More flags. Kind of looks like different nations. Or different clans. Now let's go up. Small staircase. More armor. More fire. More bamboo. I don't know what this is for. I actually have no idea what this is. Let me see if it says something in the hierarchy. Bamboo stand. Okay, the stand for the bamboo. I would have never guessed. I was assuming some sort of music thing. Is there anything up? Oh, there is. More rooms. Oh, the throne or the emperor's throne. And I like this painting. This painting's kind of crazy. This looks really good. I think they got a 2D artist on the team or something. That looks really, really good. Some shelf space. Can we go in there? Yes, we could. If you want to make this into a horror game, because I know that's really trendy. Hide in there. More rooms. More rooms. Okay. Oh, so we have this ladder, which goes up here. To this room, another staircase that goes up. A little outdoor balcony. Very fancy. Very nice. Another staircase that goes up. With giant drums. Wow, this looks freaking amazing. What's on the top of the mountain though? Oh, okay, so there is a staircase. Let's go through the steps. So we go up, more foxes, little shrine entrance, beautiful foliage, lots of wind. We got these little rock-based railings. And at the very top, we have the two samurai swords. Kind of looks like a dueling location or a training place. And we have this little hut along with a bunch of statues. And now I actually wanted to, so I saw one of these, a house in the distance that's covered in foliage. This looks super cool. I love this. Kind of looks it looks really abandoned, but or maybe someone who's really in tune with nature. Foliage inside. Yeah, overall really really cool looking scene. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other scenes that it comes with. So they have a demo of the mansion. I thought the Emperor's Palace would have been the mansion there, but let's see what this is. Oh wow, beautiful petals falling from this cherry blossom tree. I'm loving that. Some kites. I think this is the whole map. Yeah, we got a little lake, a little koi pond with some koi animation. That's really cool. Little entryway, lots of signs, lanterns, a well that's blocked off currently. Let's go inside. Nice, same painting as before. Let me turn these off. red armor with a mustache. Oh, I see the drawing now. I get it. Ah, the armor's okay. So that was his armor, and the red one was probably his armor. A bunch of swords or katanas. Don't be offended. Super, really cool looking asset. This is really nice. A treasure chest. Is there an upstairs? No, but there's an attic, and you can utilize that space. But overall, this looks gorgeous. Let's get a little cinematic shot. Yeah, this looks good. Screenshot this. And now let's check out the demo buildings. This is pretty much the pre-made buildings for you to use if you don't want to spend a lot of time with all these modular pieces. So let me show you an example. If I click on any of these, they're really pieced in together. Like they are. For me personally, I'm not a designer, so putting this stuff together would take forever. And if you're good at this stuff, props to you, because I, for the life of me, cannot design stuff. And it already comes with a really nice interior that you can just plop into your game. So if I were to just go over to the hierarchy, you can hold Alt and Control, highlight all of this, and then Control click the floor to undo it, and then just kind of move it as a whole. So, but because I was looking at it, I did not actually grab all of it. I want to go into wireframe mode in that case. And then we have more interiors with these koi looking tops. Let's see the inside. Nice. All right, very blue guy themed or blue team themed with these clan symbols and so on. I wonder if we can change the texture of this to the other clan symbols. Let me go ahead and see the details of this. Okay, yeah. So we have this prop banner. Okay, yeah, we have this prop banner, this prop banner. All right, so it is really easy to change between the clans, which is actually really cool. I wonder if the armor can change the same way. Let's go ahead and check that out together. So let's do, I guess, this one. So it's gonna be like a black themed armor. Oh, it does. That looks sick. And then let's see the whitish one with the red. Nice. This looks really cool. And then red and gold. Okay. Wow, I did not. Wow, man, they really think of everything. And then we got black and red. Okay, so this is actually black, red, and white. The beigeish kind of theme, which is really sick. Green. This looks like rock benders from, I mean, earthbenders from Avatar. That's really blue. Purple. Teal. This is very colorful. And the yellow. Man, these are actually really sick. I think I like the, no, not this one. I kind of like this red and gold one a lot. I think this one looks really, really high, like elite status. But yeah, overall, really, really cool asset. I mean, you can just drag these materials onto anything and just change the whole. Like now it's part of a different clan. Yeah, literally just drag it on anything. Does really well. Let's see the sword. Oh. Oh wow. Okay, nice. Yeah, so that works pretty well. That's pretty cool. Let's keep seeing the overview of this stuff. So we got this little hut, and we have a multi-story tower with foliage. You got your little farmers market shop, and just a ton and ton of pre-made stuff. You even have buildings on the rocks, which I never really thought I would say. Multi-level buildings. Holy crap, this is 3 levels. I did not expect that. This trippy. It looks like 2 levels, but it's 3. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. And they even give you a little sample of the palace. You can tell it's the emperor stuff because of these sides over here. And we also got walls. And yeah, overall, really, really cool asset. Let's go to the overview and check out the characters. All right, so we have the overview of every single modular piece separated. We even got the waterfalls and mountains and stuff like that in the back. Let me actually go ahead and find the characters. All right, so I dragged a few things in on my own just because I couldn't find it in the characters. But you can see there are a bunch of different modeled characters, and you can add whatever armor pieces you want. There's one for male and one for female. You got these ninja and samurai looking characters, these geishas or geishas, however you want to pronounce it. Lots of different types of armor. This guy with the robe. And then we also have some helmet pieces. So this thing with the long nose. This kind of emperor's looking helmet with the moon. Or maybe this one's the emperor, actually. Oh, wait, no, maybe it's this one. I don't know anymore. We got this white hairstyle. Helmet with white hair. This fox looking face. And you can change the color of these with the material pretty easily. They did provide one for every single clan. That thing, I think I actually dragged that in twice. One of those, which looks kind of scary. And then we also have some hats. So we got the straw hat. This, a gourd. Gara from Sand Village. More hats. And you can really do whatever. Overall, really, really cool looking asset pack. And that pretty much covers it for this tutorial. If you want to check it out, head over to syntystore.com. Use my affiliate link if you want to support my channel. Thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.